Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online that pays instantly by simply watching videos. And yes, it pays instantly using PayPal because I know you guys really love PayPal. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. What's important is that what you'll be doing will directly help others. So this video is perfect for you if you want to earn money online while making other people happy. Not only that, but you'll learn how to maximize your performance and possibly earn even more money. But first, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. If you want to earn commissions like I did, you're gonna need to watch this whole tutorial. Do not skip any parts of it and watch it to the very end. To get started, the first thing you'll need is a PayPal account because this will pay you directly into your PayPal account once you start earning money by watching these simple videos. So go to paypal.com. This is the website, paypal.com, and you'll sign up right here. Just click on this and it'll take you to this page. In my case, I'll choose personal account. After clicking, you'll fill in the following information: your email, your legal first and last names, a password, confirming your password, and then click next. You'll receive an email asking you to confirm your account. After that, you've created a free PayPal account, which will be used to receive payments. This is the first of two websites that I'll introduce to you. This website does not pay, as well as the following one. I'm going to share something to you. But bear with me because you need to be able to use both websites in order to make money watching simple videos. Now, the name of the website is u-cubes.com. But you must include a dash in order to find it. This is the website's main page. As you can see, it has over 796,284 members and has been in service since 2007. That's 14 years, so you know it's legit. They pay to watch videos, access web pages, and do surveys. And they pay to the PayPal account right here. Other ways to make money include referring friends and receiving 15% commissions from your referrals and their recommendations, making it a two-tier referral program where you may make even more money by combining the efforts of people who sign up and turning it into some form of a passive income. I'm usually a fan of referral programs, and this one offers a two-tier referral program which I think is really interesting. So note that down. You may refer friends by utilizing your unique link when you sign up and have them click on the link and do exactly what you're doing on this website to start earning passive income with the effort of others. There are various ways to earn money, such as viewing advertisements, promoting businesses, watching videos, and participating in paid surveys. Since this is all about watching videos, do so on a daily basis in exchange for real money. That real money is transferred to PayPal right here. So what you'll do is click here or sign up for free. Fill in the information and you'll get an email just like I did. You'll click on your link right here that will be sent to you and it'll verify your email. And then you log in and it'll look like this. Before we continue, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for learning new money-making strategies online. Returning to the video, you'll notice that they've placed immediate income making options right on top of the page of the website, which you can check out from Peanut Labs, Personally, and AdSense Media. You can begin earning money right now by clicking on these buttons and beginning to view short videos. But what I want you to do once you've gotten everything set up and you've got your login, go to Earn section right up here at the top. You may check out Peanut Labs options, Personally offer wall, AdSense Media offer walls. Now, this right here, Offer Toro offer wall, is what I discovered that gives the highest commissions and money for watching videos. You can use these other ones as well. But if you want to make the most money, you should start with this one right here. Or simply start with them right here on the top of the page of this website. This is an amazing website and it pays directly to your PayPal account. This is something that anyone can do. All you have to do is view videos and you'll be paid via PayPal. If you click on these offers, you'll be taken to a page that explains everything you need to know. The second website and the one where you can make the most money is iRazoo.com, which I've actually discussed in the past videos. This is one of the most popular websites that pays viewers to watch videos. They've given out more than $139 million in cash so far. There are many additional ways to make money on these websites. You can take paid surveys, complete offers, play games, or watch videos as you can see right now. So, what is iRazoo all about? First and foremost, this is a legitimate website that has been around for a long time. The Crazy Coupon Lady, Yahoo, CNN, The Penny Hoarder, and The Wall Street Journal have all featured it. What is the process behind it? When you join to iRazoo, you can earn free cash or gift cards by completing simple tasks such as watching videos. You can also invite your friends and family to help you earn even more. After that, you earn points by sharing your opinion, playing the most popular games, and watching entertaining videos. Every action you take earns you points. Then you can choose your rewards. One of the rewards is PayPal Cash, and if you don't have PayPal, Amazon gift cards are also available. But I recommend you to PayPal for it is easy and fast. Click Join for free now. When you log in after joining, you'll be directed to this page. You can check how many points the top earners are making right now. You can start earning 50 points just by logging in or signing up. So you'll go to the left-hand side of your dashboard and do this. When you click on Watch Videos, it will take you to a list of all the areas where you may watch or view videos, like food videos, viral videos, gaming videos, jet set, comedy, technology, and so on. And this illustrates how many points you may earn simply by watching the videos available. It's possible to do so on the first website I mentioned. You can do it on this website as well. However, this website will pay you a lot more directly into your PayPal account. What a fantastic option for everyone looking to boost their income. Okay, to summarize, first you need to do is create a PayPal account, go to u-cubes.com and iRazoo.com to learn more about how it works. Then utilize these two websites to help you earn more income. Simple as that. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next video.